Hello guys. Sorry. Hello guys. My name is Chinmoyee. I told yesterday. I told the monkey and crocodile story, and now listen, and you can eat food and don't friends. Okay? Ready, steady, go. The one monkey is hungry. He wants to find grapes. He saw a grapes one in the jungle tree. He run, and he eats it in one by taking. And one crocodile is very hungry, and crocodile says in the monkey, give me one grapes. And monkey told, okay, take it. And crocodile jump. He says, thank you, monkey. And monkey says, welcome, go your home. And he go. Crocodile is going to home. And the mother is ready. He wants to eat the monkey heart. Where is the heart? This way. And crocodile says, and mother croc is very angry. He go says, and the crocodile is swimming now. The monkey eating the grapes, and the crocodile says, monkey go say, yeah. And back can still up like this. He swim, and he go to the home, and he say, mother go, তোমার হাৰটো আছে মই চাম ইট কৰিম তেতিয়া monkey কৈছে মই হাৰটো গছতে থৈ আহোঁ. And the story of the monkey and crocodile. Goodbye. See you later. Have a nice day.